Another quick video today. We're going to be showing you how quick it is to install a ClassicBond Pro roof on one of our garden rooms. So we've got our standard ClassicBond roof next to us here, so this will hopefully give you a bit of a comparison on how long this reinforced system adds to an install. It will take a little bit longer because we do have to join the rolls together, but as they already have the pre-applied seam tape, it shouldn't affect the install time too much. So what we'll be doing today is gluing the rolls down with our standard water-based adhesive. We don't need the contact because they're open edges. As it's reinforced, we don't need that stronger glue around the edge. Then joining the rolls together with the pre-applied seam tape and the primer, and then finishing it off with the same trims as we've done on the ClassicBond roof. Look right there.
That'll do.
So that's everything installed. It's taken around 45 minutes longer than a standard ClassicBond roof. That's just because of the joins. But as mentioned before, this is a 3mm reinforced product. Like standard ClassicBond, certain details will take longer, like walls or skylights, but they're installed exactly the same way. There's no added time to these specific details. Again, having help on site is going to massively decrease the install time. Someone can be putting the rolls down, gluing them, someone can be following up behind and priming and actually joining the rolls. Don't forget, ClassicBond Pro can be installed onto other surfaces as well, such as felt. This is obviously going to massively decrease the install time as well. So there's no stripping the old roof, no need to overboard. You just need to make sure you use the correct glues on whatever substrate you're going onto. So for example, felt roofs, you'd be needing to use the PU adhesive. I hope this has given you a decent insight into the install time. Like and subscribe for more.